The concerns over that flooding and the high wind speeds have a lot of people preparing for this storm.
And News Center Maine's Chloe Tebow caught up with people in southern Maine today. She joins us live tonight from Portland. Hi, Chloe.
Hey guys, yeah, I'm live on Commercial Street in the Old Port, where public works officials say there could be some potential flooding tonight into tomorrow. And that's really the story for a number of communities along the coast in southern Maine. Now, what's unique about this storm is the fact that it comes after another storm just a couple of days ago that dumped more than a foot of snow on some places in southern Maine. Public works crews in the town of York, for example, are still working to clean that up while preparing for potential impacts of the rain and wind expected soon. Those crews are out today shoveling snow off of catch basins around town. There are about 800 of these total in York that are designed to catch water in flooding events. Crews in Portland were doing the same to prepare today. Experts with the Maine Emergency Management Agency say this extreme weather has been pretty hard to keep up with.
It's the level of lack of predictability, I think that's really hitting us the most. The frequency of extreme weather events has been pretty substantial through 2023, and it looks like it's proceeding so far for 2024. And that's really what is our greatest concern.
And coming up on News Center Maine at 6 o'clock, we'll hear directly from some public works directors about how they've been preparing for the impact of this storm. Live in Portland, Chloe Tebow, News Center Maine.
Chloe, thank you.